There is a new strategy that I've been experimenting with my students, and this new strategy has helped a lot of my students to monetize their channels. Now, when you apply this strategy on your channel, you should expect to monetize your channel between 3 to 4 weeks. Yes, now the limitation is 4 weeks. Some of my students monetized in the first 2 weeks after applying the strategy, some monetized in 3 weeks after applying this strategy, and most of them actually monetized in 4 weeks. Now, how long it takes you to monetize your YouTube channel after applying this strategy, it depends on how your channel is actually standing right now. For example, if you currently have 500 subscribers and above, let's say you have 500 subscribers, 800 subscribers, 1000 subscribers, you will monetize faster than a person having below 500 subscribers. Let's say someone is having 80 subscribers, 50 subscribers, 100 subscribers. A creator with less than 500 subscribers, after applying this strategy on your channel, you should expect to monetize your YouTube channel in 4 weeks. And if you have more than 500 subscribers right now, for example, you have 1000 subscribers, 2000 subscribers, you should expect to monetize your YouTube channel in 2 weeks or 3 weeks. What I'm explaining here, it is what we discovered in the experiment. Now, the strategy I'm talking about, it is very simple. Yes, it is very simple, but very effective, because in this strategy, you just need one app, and this app is the common app that every person knows, which is ChatGPT. In this strategy, you're going to use ChatGPT to monetize your YouTube channel. I know you've ever heard about ChatGPT, you know ChatGPT, and you've been using ChatGPT for different uses. But after watching this video, you're going to begin seeing ChatGPT in a different angle that you've been not seeing it. And without wasting any time, let's dive into it. Now, before we begin, if this is your first time to be here, you're most welcome. My name is Ben, and on this channel I make videos about tools, tips, and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. So if this is your first time to be here, like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications to join the growth family. Let's grow together. The first thing you have to do is to open your YouTube Studio dashboard. You can open your YouTube Studio dashboard using your computer or using your mobile phone. Now, for this case, I'm going to use the computer. This is a YouTube Studio dashboard of one of my students in my one-on-one YouTube classes. She just joined my YouTube classes, and what you're going to do when you open your YouTube Studio, you go straight to customization, channel customization right here. And under channel customization, under profile, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see description. Now, before you begin applying the strategy, you have to do this because this is so important. Even if this is not part of the strategy, but it is so important and you have to do it. And you can actually count this as part of the strategy because you have to perform this. It's a must, you have to perform it. Now, under description, as you see, this creator wrote here natural remedies and family lifestyle. So we are going to actually customize this description, and we are going to use ChatGPT to customize it. All right, so I'll open ChatGPT right here, and what I'm going to do is to type this in the search bar. Okay, I have a YouTube channel called Adamazi Favor TV. You can actually include your channel name here. Instead of Adamazi Favor TV, you include your channel name. And on the channel, I make videos about my lifestyle, travel, and blogs. So here you actually explain your niche. You explain the kind of videos you create on your channel, okay? And now, after explaining your niche, you tell ChatGPT, write an SEO well-optimized channel description for my channel. I want a description that will help my channel get discovered on search. Yes, you have to tell ChatGPT that you want a description that will help your channel get discovered on search. You have to include that. Now, after writing this, you're going to search, and ChatGPT is going to begin generating the description. As you see, this is the description ChatGPT has generated, okay? So what you're going to do is to copy this description. As you see, the channel description ChatGPT has generated, it has hashtags, and in the channel description, I don't recommend putting hashtags in the channel description. So in case ChatGPT includes hashtags in the description, do not copy hashtags. Do not include hashtags in your channel description. So what you have to do is to copy the description without including the hashtags, as you see what I'm doing right here, okay? So I'll definitely copy this and I'll go back to my channel, okay? I'll go back to the channel right here, and what I'm going to do is to delete out this description and I'll paste the new description as you see right there. Now, after pasting the description, when you look at this description, you're going to realize that this description has keywords here like lifestyle vlogs, travel content across Africa and beyond, daily routines, food and fashion, authentic storytelling. As you see, this description is rich of keywords, okay? Now, after that, what you're going to do before you save is to go straight to settings right here, okay? You click at settings. Now at settings, you go straight to channel right here, and you have to make sure that your channel contains keywords and country of residence. Okay, for this case, you can use the country of residence that you're living in, or you can use a country that you target to get audience from. For example, if you want audience from the US, if you want audience from Canada, for this case, I'll click on Canada right here. And for keywords, what I'll do is to go back to ChatGPT. Okay, so I'll come back to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, write the best channel tags for my channel in a copy and paste format with 500 characters. In the tags include names of big channels that make the same niche as I do. So this is very important. You have to tell ChatGPT to include channel names of big channels that create the same niche as you do. That is very, very important. Okay, after that, I'm going to actually tell ChatGPT to generate for me. Now, as you see, ChatGPT has generated for me the tags in a copy and paste format. So what I'm going to do is to just copy the tags right here, and I'm going to go back to my studio. Okay, and what I'll do is to just come here and paste, as simple as that. Copy and paste. Now, what I'm going to do next, even before saving right here, is to go straight to advanced settings. I know I made a specific tutorial for these settings, but I'm gonna show this again because I understand more people are new to this channel and I have to help even the new people. So if you watch these settings already, don't mind about it because this is part of the strategy. So under advanced settings, you're going to see, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? Now, if you make content made for kids, you have to check yes, set this channel as made for kids. And if you make content that is not made for kids, you have to check no, set this channel as not made for kids. So I'll definitely check no because this channel doesn't make content for kids. And now after checking this, you go straight to feature eligibility. You have to make sure that all the three features are enabled. And if you find out that these features are not enabled, you have to enable them. And if you don't know how to enable them, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video, a link to a video where I was explaining how to enable these three features in your YouTube studio. Now, after enabling these three features, what you do next, you go straight to upload defaults. And under upload defaults, under basic info, you scroll down to visibility. So you click on visibility and you choose either private or unlisted. For this case, I'm going to choose unlisted. Now, after choosing unlisted, you go to advanced settings right here. Now, under advanced settings, you have to choose the category of videos that you create. Okay, for this particular channel, I'll choose travel and events. Okay, now after that, I'll scroll down to automatic dubbing. Now, I made a video about how to turn on automatic dubbing, and a lot of people were thinking that maybe automatic dubbing is for monetized channels. This channel that you're seeing right here is not monetized, but automatic dubbing is right here. So if you want to turn on automatic dubbing in your studio, even if you're monetized or you're not monetized, you just go straight to settings. From settings, you go to upload defaults, and under upload defaults, advanced settings. So you scroll down a little bit and you're gonna see automatic dubbing. Automatic dubbing is available for every channel, whether you're monetized, whether you're new, whether you're old. Automatic dubbing is available for every channel. If you don't know what automatic dubbing means, automatic dubbing is very helpful. When you turn on automatic dubbing and you upload a video, your video is going to be dubbed in 2 different languages. For example, you upload a video where you're speaking in English. If your video is shown to someone in Spain, your video is going to be dubbed into Spanish so that a person that is watching from Spain watch you speaking in Spanish. And when your video gets dubbed, a viewer is going to watch your video conveniently, hearing the language that they understand better. So you have to always turn on this automatic dubbing. And the same case to viewers in countries like Portugal, Norway, France, and those other countries that don't speak English. If you upload a video that is spoken in English, YouTube is going to automatically dub it or translate that video to a viewer's language. So you have to make sure that you enable automatic dubbing, and when turning it on, you have to uncheck this. Manually review dubs before publishing. You uncheck it, and now after turning on automatic dubbing, you save this. Okay, you save the settings, and now all the settings that we have changed are saved. Now after saving these settings, we begin the strategy. Now this is the more of the strategy. What you're going to do is to design viral videos. Let's say you upload 2 videos a week. Okay, so if you upload 2 videos a week, it literally means that in 3 weeks you'll upload 6 videos. Now if you design these 6 videos to go viral, at least you're going to get 3 or 2 videos that goes viral. And when I talk about going viral, I talk about a video getting 50,000 views and above. 50,000 views, 70,000 views, 100,000 views, 150,000 views and above. What I'm talking about, it is what I've been using on this channel to get views. What I'm talking about, my students are using it to go viral, to get views, to get subscribers and watch hours. When you get a viral video will get you the watch hours, a viral video will get you the subscribers, and a viral video will promote your other videos that did not get views. So all you need to be successful on YouTube is to get viral videos, and this is what I'm going to actually show you. And as I said at the beginning of this video, we are going to use ChatGPT to do that. And now let's head straight away back to ChatGPT. So this is ChatGPT right here. What I'm going to do first is to ask ChatGPT, give me video ideas for my channel. So you ask it to give you video ideas for your channel. So this is the kind of video ideas that it has given me for this particular channel that I used to experiment in this video. Okay, this channel actually makes videos about travel vlogs. It makes videos about lifestyle and daily life. As you see, these are video ideas for this particular niche and this particular channel. Now, have you ever reached a place and you feel like you're out of content, like you don't know what to create about, you don't know what to do, you don't know what to talk about? This is exactly what you need. Now, after ChatGPT giving you this, you need to be more specific, and this is what you're going to do. Okay, so you're going to ask ChatGPT, suggest a simple and highly searched video idea for my channel. Okay, so you actually go a step by step to make sure that ChatGPT gives you the best that you need. Now, as you see right here, I asked ChatGPT, suggest a simple and highly searched video idea for my channel, and this is what ChatGPT has written: a day in my life living in your city or country, African lifestyle vlog. Okay, as you see, this is a video idea, and what ChatGPT is showing me here, it is what people want to watch. The audience that watch vlogs, the audience that watch this kind of content, this is the kind of content that is trending under this niche. So by using ChatGPT, you're not just coming up with ideas, but you're also creating content that your audience are going to watch. The people that watch that particular niche you make are going to get interested in that video. Once that video gets recommended to them, they are going to watch it, and once they watch it, you're going to end up getting viral videos. ChatGPT explains it here. Why is it highly searched? Day in my life is a viral vlog format that consistently get searched. Okay, adding your location, e.g. Nigeria, Uganda, Ghana, or your city, targets global viewers curious about African daily life. You get it? So ChatGPT is actually telling me the reason why it's recommending this topic. After that, ChatGPT is telling me viewers love authentic, relatable routine and cultural content. You get the point. ChatGPT is not just recommending me this topic, it is also telling me the reason why it is recommending it. As I said, if you upload content that viewers are interested in, they are going to watch, and when they watch, YouTube algorithm is going to keep on recommending your content, because the YouTube algorithm only wants a creator that keeps viewers watching, and when viewers watch your content, the YouTube algorithm is going to favor you. Now, after that, you're going to ask ChatGPT to write a short and catchy YouTube intro for this video. So right here, you're getting every idea from ChatGPT. As a new YouTuber, this is the best for you, because since you're just new to YouTube, you may not have enough idea about how to create your videos, but now you have a great chance to come up with a video that will go viral from scratch using this magical app. Now right here, ask ChatGPT, write a short and catchy YouTube intro for this video, and this is what it actually did. Hey loves, welcome to another beautiful day in Kampala. I'll definitely put here my city. Okay, come with me as I take you through my real and every life, from the simple joys to unexpected moments. This is what life looks like in my side of the world. Let's go. And now after that, you're going to continue and say, write a step-by-step YouTube video script, and ChatGPT is going to definitely do it for you. Okay, after the intro, you need a script, and the script is now here. Now for my case, I don't script my videos. I don't write scripts for my videos, but what I do, I write a script and then recall some parts in the scripts and add in my own ideas, and that's according to my need. Now after that, you're going to ask ChatGPT, give me 5 clickable YouTube titles, and as you see right here, ChatGPT has given me 5 YouTube titles for this particular video. And what I love about ChatGPT, before it gives you the titles, it search for keywords that are engaging, keywords that people are searching for. It search for titles that are going to work out on YouTube. And now after that, this is what you're going to tell ChatGPT, give me 3 short and catchy thumbnail captions. Okay, and now this is what it has given me, what I'm going to actually put on my thumbnail. Remember, thumbnail and title are so important on your video, because that is what viewers see first before they click on your video. So you should always consider getting the best title and the best thumbnail for your video. So you don't stop there. You can also ask ChatGPT to describe a thumbnail design idea, and now it has given me a thumbnail design idea. So if you're not good at creating thumbnails, if you don't know how to create your thumbnails, you can literally use these ChatGPT thumbnail ideas and come out with good thumbnails that will attract viewers' attention to click on your videos and watch your videos. Remember, you've designed a video that will go viral, so you need to have a thumbnail that will attract people to click on your video once it gets recommended to them. Okay, a lot of creators are giving testimony about about this strategy that I've just shared with you here. So try it out, and I promise you, you're going to come back to thank me. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. If you don't know how to upload your videos the right way, check out this video. Watch this video and learn how to upload your videos on YouTube the right way. In this video, I explain step by step how to upload your videos the right way to get more views and to get engagement on your channel. Alright, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.